be somewhat of an unexpected that a BMW sticking to none of those old-school ethics, the X1, was such a reasonable decision for its class trophy for a moment year in succession. In any case, BMW has permeated this utilitarian little gadget with a portion of a similar scrumptious flavor that initially dependent us to the brand's offerings. This in spite of utilizing an almost indistinguishable formula as its nearest rivals, down to the 2.0-liter relocation of its turbocharged 4-chamber motor. Splendid bundling sharpness gives the X1 a decidedly vaporous lodge, with ample head and legroom for front and back seat travelers. The upright body makes for good perceivability through vast windows. Payload space with the 40/20/40 split collapsing backseats collapsed level is more liberal than any immediate opponent, and, in our testing, the X1 even obliged more portable bags than somebody scrutinized SUVs, including the Audi Q5. Raising the experience additionally are truly upscale inside materials that disgrace the shoddy-looking and feeling plastics in equal Mercedes-Benz's GLA-class. Be that as it may, BMW was not fulfilled just to design a roomy and useful movement and throw in the towel. The X1 offers authentic driving joy on account of a firm and controlled drive, an excitement to alter course that is uncommon among others of its kind, and exact guiding that is more informative and fulfilling than that found among the opposition. Also, BMW has quite often conveyed on the engine segment of its name, and the 2.0-liter inline-4 in the X1 is no special case, with its almost slack-free, direct power conveyance. A sharp 8-speed program transmission changes responsively and is constantly in the right gear. To decide our 2018 10 Best Trucks and SUVs, we took after our typical 10 Best technique of welcoming the earlier year's victors in addition to vehicles that are for the most part new or altogether refreshed inside each portion. Contending vehicles must have a base cost of under $80,000 and be marked down by January 31, 2018. Each contending vehicle is driven and completely assessed by our whole publication staff amid our week-long test, and champs have been resolved by means of editors' votes in favor of which contestants best convey crosswise over 3 key zones: esteem, driving satisfaction, and general mission satisfaction. Determinations. Vehicle type: front motor, front or all-wheel drive, 5 traveler, 4 entryway hatchback. Base price: $34,895 $36,895. Motor: turbocharged and intercooled DOC 16-valve 2.0-liter inline-4, 228 horsepower, 258 pounds-to-foot. Transmission: 8-speed programmed with manual moving mode. Check weight, CDEST: 3553,700 pounds. Execution, CDEST: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 6.46.6 seconds. Standing 1/4 mile, 14.9 15.0 seconds. Top speed, 130 miles per hour. EPA fuel economy. Join/city/thruway, 2526/2223/3132 miles per gallon.